Pantheism, finding the divine in everything. Today, we're exploring pantheism, a spiritual perspective that sees the divine as inherent in all things. Unlike many traditional religions that worship a distinct deity, pantheism finds the sacred in the universe itself, in the stars, the earth, and even in you. Let's dive into the beliefs, practices, and the essence of this universal spiritual outlook. What is pantheism? At its core, pantheism is the belief that God is everything, and everything is God. The universe and the divine are seen as one and the same, with no distinction between creator and creation. Pantheism isn't tied to a single religious doctrine but has roots in philosophical, scientific, and spiritual traditions. Think of it as a worldview where nature, existence, and the cosmos are revered as sacred. Core beliefs of pantheism. 1. The divine is the universe. In pantheism, the divine isn't a personified God sitting in the heavens, it's the sum of all existence. The stars, the oceans, the trees, and every living being are expressions of the sacred. 2. Interconnectedness of all things. Pantheism emphasizes the unity and interconnectedness of all life. Everything is part of a larger whole, and this interconnectedness is seen as divine. 3. Reverence for nature. Nature isn't just admired in pantheism, it's worshipped. The cycles of life, the majesty of the cosmos, and the beauty of the natural world are all seen as manifestations of the divine. 4. Rational and mystical unity. Pantheism often blends rational understanding with a mystical sense of awe. Many pantheists are inspired by science, seeing the laws of physics, evolution, and the vastness of the universe as sacred truths. Practices in pantheism. 1. Connecting with nature. Pantheists find spirituality in nature. Walking through a forest, gazing at the stars, or meditating by the ocean are ways to feel connected to the divine universe. 2. Mindfulness and presence. Practicing mindfulness helps pantheists live in harmony with the present moment. By being fully aware of the here and now, they connect with the sacredness of life. 3. Celebrating the cosmos. Stargazing, studying astronomy, or simply marveling at the complexity of life can be a form of worship in pantheism. Many pantheists celebrate the universe's natural wonders as holy. 4. Science as sacred exploration. For many pantheists, scientific discovery is a spiritual act. Exploring the mysteries of the cosmos and understanding the intricacies of life are seen as ways to honor the divine. 5. Ethical living. Pantheists often adopt eco-friendly lifestyles, advocating for sustainability and respect for all living beings as part of the divine whole. Pantheism across cultures. Pantheism isn't limited to one tradition, it has appeared in various philosophies and spiritualities. 1. Ancient philosophies. Hinduism, concepts like Brahman, the ultimate reality, align with pantheism, viewing the universe as a manifestation of the divine. Stoicism, the Stoics believed in a rational order to the universe, often described as divine. 2. Western thinkers. Baruch Spinoza, 1632–1677, a philosopher who equated God with nature. Spinoza's writings are foundational to modern pantheism. Romantic poets, writers like William Wordsworth found the divine in the beauty of nature. 3. Modern movement. Scientific pantheism, a contemporary interpretation that merges pantheist beliefs with scientific understanding, emphasizing awe and reverence for the natural universe. The influence of pantheism. 1. Inspiring art and literature. Pantheistic ideas have influenced works by artists, poets, and writers who celebrate nature's beauty and interconnectedness. 2. Shaping environmental ethics. Pantheism has played a role in modern environmental movements, emphasizing the sacred duty to protect and preserve the natural world. 3. Spiritual alternatives. For those disillusioned with traditional religions, pantheism offers a spiritual path that aligns with scientific understanding and personal experience. Why pantheism matters. Pantheism invites us to see the divine in the everyday. It's a perspective that fosters awe, gratitude, and respect for the world around us. In a time when humanity often feels disconnected from nature, pantheism reminds us that we are not separate from the universe, we are an integral part of it. If you found this exploration of pantheism uplifting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell on Finite Planet for more journeys into the world's spiritual and mystical traditions. See you next time.